Hello! It's the last day here in Cancun. It's time to go, unfortunately. It's been really nice. Really nice place and such a nice view. The bag is packed. I had stayed at the resort in Cancun for some time, but it was time to head out for some new adventures. The stuff is in the car. We got a rental car yesterday, so now we're gonna drive down to Tulum for the last day. And then, I don't know where I will be going. She'll be going home, and then I will be going somewhere that I haven't planned yet. I had been with Maria for the past week. Now we were driving from Cancun and passed by the well-known towns of Puerto Morelos, Playa del Carmen, Akumal, and the island of Cozumel. We had come to Tulum to swim in some incredible water wells known as Cenotes. We are here at the first cenote for today, Cenote Azul. Really nice, look. It's time for the first cenote trick. The first trick has been completed. Now we're waiting for her to jump. Now it's your turn to jump.
Yeah, I'm gonna jump. Up there.
Yeah.
Like if you.
We had jumped into one of many thousand water holes in Mexico. It was so refreshing and relaxing to cool off from the humid and hot temperature outside. The water comes up from underground through chambers and wells. It's so cool when you can see everything so clearly, almost like there is no water at all, and you're just floating around. We swam way further to explore more of this underground world. It's said that water is the driving force of all nature, and it's the key to all life and existence. It's strange that no matter where you go in this world, if you find water, you will also always find something living. There are some really nice ways you can walk here through. It's like a little jungle, really nice, and the water is super clean everywhere. Really cool. I don't know where this goes. We're walking around here in the jungle, and there are so many different walkways that leads out to the water. And then you can jump in and go swimming.
Oh, it goes back to the.
We had found another nice spot and decided to jump in again after going through the jungle-looking walkway. Every once in a while, we would see a big iguana walking by. We walked back and were getting ready to go to the next water swimming hole. are leaving the first cenote for today to go to the next one. In the areas around the town of Tulum, you can find hundreds of cenotes. Now we came into the Dos Ojos Cenotes, and here you have to pay 300 pesos per person, which is kind of expensive. It was like $15 each to go to a cenote. Usually you pay maybe $2. We are here inside the cenote. Apparently there are 3 cenotes here. It's a really cool cave. You can also swim like all the way across the cave into different caves over there. Really nice. And the temperature is a bit cold, like 22 degrees Celsius, 75 Fahrenheit maybe. Dos Ojos is one very popular cenote around the town of Tulum in Mexico. It's incredible how clean the water is, and the scenery is truly extraordinary. It's like you are entering a different type of world when you go below the surface. Visibility is so clear, but the deeper areas fade into darkness. The Mayan people who occupied the Yucatan Peninsula of Mexico about 4,000 years ago sacrificed humans and threw them into the cenotes, which is why still today human bones have been found inside these wells. We're here on the way to the second cenote, but there's mosquitoes everywhere. You get bit. Oh! But here is the entrance point to the second one. We are in the second cave. It's really cool to see how many of these cenotes you can find just by walking around in the Mexican wilderness. Mosquitoes are coming for us everywhere. This is the most mosquitoes I've seen in one place. Now we're going to the bonus Ojos and Nicte Ha.
Time for some cenote tricks.
We had come to the next cenote, but I had to swim by myself in this one. It was like a huge aquarium, and the visibility so clear. It takes courage to live a life that is true to yourself, and to do the things that feel right for you. So many people tell us how to live our life. The truth is that life passes most people by, while they make big plans for it. We are coming into Tulum.
You're welcome. You can take a look inside the bathroom. It's a very sleek design. The B&B has a really modern feel, which is characteristic of Tulum. And the balcony is really nice. And then the pool area is also pretty nice.
We came back after our cenote trip, and now we're here. Really nice hotel. We're gonna stay here for the night. a nice swimming pool. Maybe I should jump from the balcony. No, I should not jump from the balcony. It's too far. Tonight we will be doing some night pool tricks to jump from the wall here. Oh, we are back on the way to the beach here in Tulum. I was here a few weeks ago and made a really nice video from here. There was almost no seaweed at that time, but I have heard a lot of people say that the beach is full of seaweed again. So let's check it out and see if there is any seaweed or not. We were staying in the town of Tulum, a few kilometers from the sea, and had come to the beach before the sun would go down. There's actually some seaweed on the beach, but it's not too bad, I don't think. The water is still clean, you can still go swimming. We do have a bit of seaweed here, but it's not too bad. Here we have a mountain of seaweed. In the summertime of Mexico, when the temperatures are higher in the water and in the air, seaweed tends to grow and flush into the beaches. The seaweed, however, is constantly put in piles and removed from the beaches, since tourism is essential for Mexico. You can see the town of Tulum a bit further in of the land. The beach side mostly has hotels, but it's not very crowded yet. Tulum is one of the most popular tourist destinations in all of Mexico and is very well known, especially on social media. She climbed up on the tree.
This is the famous tree.
The best time to go to Mexico is between December and May. That's when you have the best weather. There's also no seaweed during those months. Okay. He climbed up in a tree. But we're gonna go back home. The tree has no, look, there's nothing. It just sticks up in the air. The beach had been nice, but we were on our way back to the hotel to get ready for dinner. We have to eat and then we have to jump into the pool. Are you gonna jump into the pool?
Of course I am. It's the last night.
The dress is on. We are on the way again. This time to have dinner. We drove into town to find a well-known restaurant in the area. Now we are here at this restaurant.
We ordered their classic lasagna, and then we also ordered a smoked salmon salad. So we're gonna kind of share a little bit and take a look at how delicious everything looks.
Very, very, very great success.
It's got salmon, cranberries, tomatoes, and a really nice dressing.
Now it's time for the swimming pool. We had come back to finish off the day with some more swimming. had an incredible day, and it was time to head back in. If you enjoyed watching this video, please leave it a thumbs up, post a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please also click the bell next to the subscribe button so you get notified every time I upload something. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.